Hello everybody. Well, here are a few clips of my favorite unusual aircraft of all time. Well, some of the reasons are, first, the amazing electronics. It's a mixture of aircraft and multi-rotor. It's extremely fast in forward flight and can give you some pretty good chills when you fly at full-on speed. When it's in the horizontal hover mode, the fore and aft flight is controlled by tilting the motors, while the rear motor is fixed, and left and right is controlled by motor speeds. But in vertical hover, the rear motor shuts completely off. And if you haven't seen any of the past videos I produced on this machine, maybe you could check them out. I would appreciate that. So this is my original machine, and it's been repaired and beat up. But I keep coming back to it because it's really fun to fly, and it's still available on Amazon. I can also tell you that it's been through a lot, including being shot clear through with fireworks, and it still keeps going. So if you haven't seen this before, it may fill your need because it's a helicopter, an airplane, and a drone all in one. So sit back and enjoy the last few minutes of this video and the surprise ending. Uh-oh. Well, make sure to see my earlier repair video if this happens to you. Also, you're going to want to replace the stock servos with metal gear servos like these, because they will break. Well, thanks again, and if you're seeing this for the first time, I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe and pass this on to your friends. Thanks a lot. This is Dave the Night Flyer. Till next time.